Every meal is a choice, and with the right choices, you could be paving the way to a healthier heart. Imagine your arteries as the highways of your body, crucial for transporting life-sustaining nutrients and oxygen. Now picture health-nourishing meals as the maintenance crew, working diligently to keep these roads clear and functional. A diet composed of heart-healthy foods is more than a trend. It's a lifestyle that could dramatically decrease the incidence of cardiovascular disease, the world's leading cause of death. Here's how you can unclog your arteries one meal at a time, transforming everyday ingredients into powerful allies for your heart. Oatmeal. Start your day with soluble fiber. Begin your day with a bowl of warm, comforting oatmeal, a potent weapon in the fight against cholesterol. Oatmeal is rich in soluble fiber, which helps lower bad LDL cholesterol by naturally binding to it and eliminating it from the body. The process is straightforward. As the liver looks to replace these LDL particles, it pulls cholesterol from the blood, thus reducing overall levels and helping to clear your arteries. To make your oatmeal even more heart health friendly, top it with a mix of berries and nuts. Berries like blueberries and strawberries bring a burst of antioxidant-rich flavor, while cashews or almonds add unsaturated fats, which further promote cardiovascular health. Consider a dash of cinnamon or a spoonful of flax seeds for added flavor and nutrients. Integrating oatmeal into your daily diet can be an enjoyable routine. Whether you choose old-fashioned oats for a textured bite or steel-cut oats for a nuttier flavor, make sure to avoid pre-packaged oats with high sugar content. Instead, opt for natural sweetness from fruits or a touch of honey. A diet composed of heart-healthy foods is more than a trend. It's a lifestyle that could dramatically decrease the incidence of cardiovascular disease, the world's leading cause of death. The salmon solution. Omega-3 for a healthy heart. Salmon, celebrated for its high omega-3 fatty acid content, is a star in heart health. These essential nutrients reduce inflammation throughout the body and help decrease triglycerides, lower blood pressure, and reduce blood clotting. Integrating 2 servings of fatty fish like salmon each week can lead to noticeable improvements in heart function and arterial health. Grilling or baking salmon preserves its nutritional integrity and enhances its natural flavors. Complement your fillet with a side of leafy greens drizzled with olive oil or a serving of quinoa for a hearty, heart-healthy meal. To maintain the purity of the nutrients, opt for wild-caught salmon when possible over its farmed counterpart, which can contain different levels of contaminants and feed. Cooking salmon is simpler than one might think. Season the salmon lightly with herbs such as dill or parsley and squeeze a lemon over it to enhance its natural fatty richness with a citrus note. The simplicity of preparation ensures that you get the maximum health benefits without added calories or heavy seasonings. Be sure to like, comment, subscribe, and click the link below to get started. Continues in next output.